It's Thanksgiving today, and families all over the country are preparing for their big Thanksgiving gatherings. What better way to celebrate Thanksgiving than with a delicious turkey dinner? And although he will be celebrating alone this year, there's still plenty to be thankful for. How about your health? Or the roof over your head? Or how about that wonderful festive sweater you've got on? While he waits for his frozen turkey to microwave, he can begin setting the table in preparation for his meal. You know, watching television at dinner time is a sign of poor manners. You should probably turn that television off.
In the spirit of Friendsgiving, we're keeping summer alive. We got turkey, stuffing, all the good trimmings, and all our friends here drinking Malibu cocktails on the beach. It's summertime, baby.
Thankful for Canada.
Thankful for coconuts.
I'm thankful for friends and beautiful sunlight.
Thankful for Thanksgiving.
I'm thankful for delicious drinks, friends, and all the turkey you could ask for.
I'm thankful for family and being fast.
Thankful for the turkey. I'm thankful for the beautiful fall sunshine.
Thankful for the beach.
I'm thankful for life.
Let us know what you're going to do with your friends for Thanksgiving. Leave a comment or click subscribe.